We will play a 3-minute video to show our cultural communication with students from Mount Douglas Secondary School, Canada, and exchange our opinions in the online conference.
Of the pottery student, I think that's how you say it, and they made like.
Hello everyone, I'm Ding Guo. We are from New Taipei Municipal English Vocational High School in Taiwan. Today, we will show you our motivation and our works to think and care about marine ecology works.
Because the global warming is about the seawater being higher and hotter, right? When the hot water pour into the cup, you can see the cup is getting wider. And that's the color when the coral died. It's when it becomes wider and stuff. Activity at the beach. Shantae.
I guess swimming at the beach. Yeah.
Yeah, the seawater here is really nice. Amelia?
Can I just mention that around our waters we have seals, and you used to be able to give them fish, and it was cool.
It was cool.
Throw away our garbage in the garbage bins
Okay.
rather than littering.
Yeah, that's
There's
true.
less plastic.
Yeah, I think what is it? Fairway Market. Fairway Market are now like changing their plastic bag into paper bag.
Yeah.
I think so.
Recycle, reuse,
Reuse, recycle.
reuse, recycle, reduce.
Mm-hmm.
Oh wait, no, it's reduce, reuse, recycle.
Reduce, reuse, recycle. The order doesn't matter.
All right. Next question. Global warming has caused the rise of sea level and extreme climate. What are some changes that you think we should start doing to prevent the worst from happening? All right. Next question. What is the best part that you think about their project?
I like the color changing concept.
I think it's really clever.
Yeah.
Also, they are spreading awareness for climate change, so that's good.
Hello everyone, I'm your host Ding Zuo. Today we invited two famous specialists. One is a ceramics expert Youlong, and another is a coral scientist Wei Qing. And we are from New Taipei Municipal English Vocational High School in Taiwan. We are honored to represent our school to join this event. In recent years, more and more extreme climate phenomena occurred, such as high temperature, heat wave, storms, and severe cold. Therefore, climate change has become one of the most serious issues of the century. A splendid color in our ocean fade away, and the damage we did to the ocean has forced us to leave a lonely pale whiteness to our children. What's your opinion, Wei Qing?
Yes, Ding Zhuo, 星胞单年 left corals.
All I know is that coral bleachings almost means coral death. What's that all about, Wei Qing?
My information says that corals and coral reefs rely on the mutual benefits with 星胞单年. Symbiodania provide nutrition and photosynthesis, can make coral grow larger, so Symbiodania live on corals.
Thank you for your clear explanation. I heard that coral are having a tough time, aren't they?
Didn't they live well? Water is all they need, isn't it?
Coral bleaching doesn't mean coral changes its color to white. Like I said, corals and Symbiodania live on each other, and the reason why coral can bleach is due to the environment, such as high water temperature, ocean acidification, and near-ocean overfishing. These factors force Symbiodania to leave corals, and corals lose colors. They cause coral death.
Sounds like they really have a tough time. So, healthy coral polypus live in corals, and those colorful reefs are from Symbiodania. If corals come across an extreme environment, such as high temperature or chemicals, they will bleach. Okay, now we know coral bleaching, but what caused the increased ocean water temperature? What do you think, Yong?
Greenhouse effect.
Greenhouse effect? I know greenhouse in gardening, but what's greenhouse effect?
Greenhouse gases exist in our atmosphere, absorb radiation. But too many human activities produce too many greenhouse gases, elevate global temperature.
I got advice to reduce greenhouse effect. Number 1, to commute by public transportation of electric vehicles. Number 2, reusing energy efficient appliances. Number 3,
Eating more vegetable and less meat.
Number 4, renewable
Products instead of buying. Number 5,
renewable energy deployment.
Yes, thank you, Yorong. First is to commute by public transportation or electric vehicles. By doing so, we can reduce traffic and carbon dioxide. We can even ride bikes to decrease air pollution and exercise at the same time. Then, what are the benefits of using electric vehicles? We can less rely on fuel and lower carbon emission.
Number 2 is to use energy-efficient appliances. The energy-labeled air conditioners can save electricity about 500 to 700 kilowatts and reduce carbon in about 300 to 400 kilograms a year. What's that? We should choose energy-efficient appliances.
Number 3, to eat more vegetable and less meat. Do you know a steak releases 330 grams carbon dioxide? That's the same amount as driving 4.8 kilometers. The greenhouse gases are incredible.
Number 4, reusing product instead of buying. Human activity consumes resources and energy. To find every possibility to reuse the resources and create best effect.
Number 5 is to use renewable energy. No matter how much effort, we try to reduce carbon. As long as we are still fossil fuel, there will be a long way. To achieve the goal of environmental sustainability and declining and climate change, it needs the government, the business, and the society to work hard together.
As we mentioned, coral bleaching is due to the statues that Symbiodania left corals. So ceramics master Yorong created a series of ceramics works symbolized the situation that corals are facing. He chose ceramics because it is environmental and reusable material. If it's well preserved, it can be used for hundreds or thousands of years. He applied his ceramics works to a way of tea ceremony.
Yes, 定佐, let's show my works.
Okay. Okay. The leader of a tea ceremony is a teapot, which is used to make tea. A tea serving pot is to deliver tea to all the teacups evenly. And this is teacups, are the utensil to drink tea. Next, I'm going to introduce teapick. And this is teapick. We use this to scrub the tea leaves into the teapot. And this is teaspoon. This is a utensil to carry tea leaves into the teapot. The last one is a wester bowl, and it collects dessert tea water and tea leaves at the end of tea ceremony. And we created these 3 pieces in form of coral reefs and simulated the relationship of corals and reefs.
Ceramic Master, I heard that you material to your works. What's that?
Yes, the thermochromic ink.
Yes, Master Youlong added a new material, thermochromic ink. It will disappear with a rising temperature, which symbolizes simultaneous lapse corals, not just giving the utensil functions, but also sharing the difficulties that corals are facing. The 3 pieces in form of healthy unhurt corals. And with thermochromic ink, if we put hot water on land, they will become transparent, just like bleaching.
There are 2 kinds of ink, reversible and irreversible. The most popular one is reversible ink, which is an intelligent, reusable material that can change colors repeatedly in range of temperature.
Our artistic works is trying to remind the society that we can achieve the goal of providing suitable environment for coral reefs by lowering temperature to decrease coral bleaching and make corals recover its natural beauty.
Let's think and care more about marine ecology. Thank you for your listening. Have a nice day.
谢谢英歌商工。